Alright, it's confirmed that the problem is this is the MOSFET. It's shorted. This is the filter. This is the bridge diode, induction coil. This is the back. This is the driver of the MOSFET. This IC here. This one triggers the gate of the MOSFET. This one, the output of these goes to this transistor, small transistor, diode, center diode. See, this is the gate. The gate goes in here. So this is the triggering one. This is the gate that is the drain in the source. That's the filter capacitor. Alright, I think this is the only problem. We need just to replace this one. A MOSFET. But the problem is walang numero. This is the problem. Hindi mabasa ang part number. Anyway, so magta-try and good ako ng MOSFET. I need to put alright, I think that's the only problem. But I can try using power. Let me check. I will switch this on. Using, let me check. I will try this one without the MOSFET. It should run, it should on. That proves, if it's on, that proves the unit is working. This, let me check.